guys, happy Thursday. How's all my beautiful people today? Today is what, May the 6th? So guys, actually I'm trying to get ready to go, but I showed y'all in the beginning of the clip how important it is to cut up your own fruit, and you can have so much. I'm going to show you how much I got, and I'm going to show you I got a container I'm going to take with me for my meal today. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started on our day. I actually got to make some trips and stuff like that, but we're going to just get started. This is OOTD, y'all. OOTD. It's still actually cold here. I can show you guys how it's very windy and things like that. But however, it's a beautiful day. I want you guys to have an awesome day, an amazing day. Do something good for yourself. Do something good for somebody else. So guys, look, this is how much I have left. And this is what I put in the container. You can't tell me that's enough, so I can freeze all of this. I'm waiting for the juice to run off. And if you guys were wondering, all of this here, I'm gonna take this to the park later on when I get off or go on my break and put that in the woods somewhere, just set it somewhere for some deers. And yeah, guys, yeah, I will see you guys when we get in the car, okay? Alright guys, I'm back. So I didn't forget about y'all for my tea time. Oh, I got a lot of stuff gotta do. So I am gonna go to I'm running to Home Depot because I gotta get some repost gray paint. I gotta do that. What else am I doing? I got some stuff I'm gonna show y'all at home later on. But we got running to do before it's time to get the day started. But guys, you got your tea, your coffee, your ginger ale, orange juice, whatever it is that you drink. Let's take a sip. Thank God we made it. Thank God we made it to Thursday. So guys, what do I have to say today? I don't even know, because she's not even sure. But guys, just be happy, be grateful, be blessed, be thankful, show a little bit more gratitude. A lot of people say they're grateful for things, and they're thankful, and your life don't even add up to what you're saying. If you're grateful and you're thankful, you're already blessed. Well, let's just put that out there. If you're grateful and you're thankful, you're already blessed. However, your life is still supposed to line up to what you are saying and how you are living. Now, am I right or wrong? I do know this. You say you know, the higher power, the universe, God, the Father, all that stuff, Yahweh, He is great. So that means you should be great. So just do it, y'all. Just do it. Just do it. Do it in grace. Be grateful, be thankful, be blessed. That's all I have for y'all today. For tea time, like I said, I will see you guys in a little while on the flip side. Hey, y'all, I'm back real quick. We at the depot, okay? I gotta hurry up because I'm trying to meet up with my friends so we can go for a walk. I'm gonna finish up y'all, this made a whole container of pineapple. I think I showed y'all. But I heard the funniest thing, and I just had to come back on here. On the radio, I heard, I guess somebody, a restaurant owner, owed somebody some money or something like that. And what they did was take a box of roaches, y'all. Listen to what I'm saying. Y'all let me know if y'all heard this. I just heard it. They took a box of roaches, took the roaches to the restaurant, let the roaches out. Okay? Who in the world? Y'all, I'm not lying. This was on the radio. Y'all know they do like world star stuff. But I'm just, at first, I was like, what? And then I couldn't help but to laugh. But that is the craziest thing. You are that upset with somebody over some money they owe you, that you will let roaches out in their restaurant. That is insane. That is insane. That is insane. I don't know. Some people would say it all depends on how much money they owe you. They owe you something. I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get it. I'll see y'all in Home Depot. Lady is checking to see. I didn't even know they had this one here for $11. I always was buying the big ones, but they have this one. She gonna check it to see if she has the right one.
This one up there.
You said you do? Okay. Well, she gonna check it for me. Y'all, I'm so excited because I didn't know they had that. So I gotta get that, and I gotta get a bag of that mulch stuff to go in the backyard, and that's it. So she's coming to check and help me. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, I know y'all probably was wondering, like, why are you in Home Depot? What are you looking for in Home Depot? Why are you getting paint? I think I explained to y'all why was I getting paint, but I'm going to show y'all where I'm going to be putting the paint at. I think that's what I didn't show y'all or tell y'all. But anyway, if you guys are looking for paint that is quart size like this, then please consider asking the people in Home Depot, what other paint options do you have? You don't have to just get Behr. You don't have to just get Lowe's brand or Home Depot brand. You don't have to get Glidden. But those paints right now are so expensive that, and they have been marked up because people have gotten stimulus money. People are at home more, so it's going to cost you more if you need some paint. So if you guys remember, I think I checked Sherwin-Williams yesterday. I even checked Ace Hardware. Everybody for a quart size, guys, was almost $20. And I was like, I refuse to do that. So something today just told me to ask them, how much would this one be? And I can get the repost gray. So this is reminder gray behind me, but the other walls, no, I think this is repost gray. This wall, either one of the walls is repost gray. So I'm just letting you guys know that find the Glidden. They will do the price, they will do the paint swapping from another company. So like I said, this is Sherwin-Williams repost gray, but it's put inside the Glidden. So this is Glidden's own base, but this is a semi-gloss, and this is what I was looking for. So enough of that. I just wanted to update you guys on the paint situation. If you're looking for quart size and don't want to pay the price for quart size, like $20-something, you can option out for this. And this cost me, with the tax, was $12.98. So I don't think that's bad versus $25, okay? And this is all I need. And I'll show you guys what I need it for. So hold the line, please. All right, guys, I'm back. So I'm going to show you guys why, I guess in the back end of this video, but I'm just going to show you the changes that I made in this family room because it needed a change. It was getting too cluttered. Even though it may seem, I am my best to live very simple. And even with some of the things, it can be overwhelming. So I'm just going to show you guys what I changed out to make it work functional for my family and for family members that come over here. So I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you what I've done as far as like the decor changes. And then I'll show you why I got the paint too. So guys, right here, hey y'all, hey, she swapped out the mirror. This is the actual mirror that was in the office. First it was in the living room, now it was then it was in the office. Now it's in here. So it's bigger and then it goes better with the space over here. Don't mind that stuff because we're drinking tea still today. And that is the paint. So anyway, I end up putting this bigger mirror in here because it welcomes the space more better. And when I say welcomes the space, when you come from here and you look that way, it just looks so much better. I can show you what I'm saying. So from here, if you guys remember, that other mirror was just super, super duper small. So yeah, this is just so much better. Also guys, look at this. Yes, we took the TV off the wall because if you guys don't know, depending on your drywall that you have in your home, things can slip out the wall. So that's exactly what happened. And we just said, you know what, we're going to just patch up all the holes in the wall and we're going to just put the TV on this. Because guys, I don't know if you guys know, let me put this on pause because I don't know if you get copyrighted by stuff like that or not. Let's pause this. So anyway, I think this looks so much better, so sleek. This actually looks nice right here. It covers up the outlet. But the good thing about it too, guys, is with this table, you can't even see the cord behind the TV. So instead of us worrying about having to go get the cord thing and all that, this is so much better. I was able to put pictures right here, put this basket right here, put my candle right there, which I only have one in here. And guys, look over here. We took the shelves down. The reason why the shelves got taken down, the boys would constantly bump them. And then Mark, every time he would go in and out of the closet, he will knock the shelf to the left or the right. So that is the reason for that. So guys, I absolutely love the space now. It looks so inviting. So the only thing I want is a table, a wood and metal table to go here. And yeah, I even took a plant, the other one of those plant pots out of here. And I will show y'all that in another video because you'll have to see where I put it. So let's go into, let me know what y'all think in the comments. So these spots here are going to get all painted this evening because it is almost 6 o'clock. So yeah, we're going to take care of that. But some of them are still trying to dry. Guys, this looks awesome. And how come it was the perfect size? Perfect size. So let's go into the other space. And if you were wondering what I did with those pictures, y'all, I put them here because this is wood and black. I just put them here, and it's enough space and it doesn't look too crowded or congested. All right, y'all, we're gonna keep on going because I have more I have to show you guys. So if you guys know me or know watching the channel, we never really was using a console table. It was actually just sitting there with stuff on it. I don't want my house to be like that. I want my house to be with everything that I have. I want to be able to use it. So what we did was replace the, I just put a plant right here for now. I might put this one right here, back over here, because that's where it was at, and put the fiddly fig back in the window. We have we had a whole lot of light earlier, so that's why I put that there. So I moved that one, and all I did was put the bar cart right here, guys. And I like it. I really like that sitting there. It's just enough. I put the tray on top and just left that plant right where it's at. And I put these two candlesticks right here. Hopefully in the near future I can find some ones that can fit in there because the other ones that I hauled last time did not fit. And then I placed our old picture, which I think it looks nice, y'all. I'm looking for another one of these pillows like that too. I think that looks nice together. Let me know in the comments what you think. But those are the changes. And I'm going to tell y'all why I was inspired. Because like I said, what inspired me first was the actual, when the TV comes, when the shelf thing come leaning out the wall, I'm like, let's just not have nothing. Let's just not put a TV on this wall and just have it on the thing. And that worked out. So if you guys know, this TV was the first TV that got hung when we moved here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but if you can see closely, this is repose gray. This is the cream beige walls that the walls were when we first moved in. So this all still needs to be taken down and painted. The whole thing need to be painted. So that was the other reason for that. And guys, yeah, these are the changes. I absolutely love all this space here. I love space, y'all. If you don't know by now, you should. I love space. Sorry, y'all. Sorry, we're getting dark. But I love the space. I love how I just love how that looks. I really do. We'll use this more than we would that table because you're getting drinks and you're getting glasses. And you can use this to serve or whatever. But you're going to use this more than you would a console table. The console table is just sitting there. So yeah, that was my whole inspiration behind the actual reason for painting. The TV that we had to paint behind there, and then we had to plug up some holes. So I will see you guys in another video really soon. Don't forget to love yourself so you'll be able to love others. Let me know, what do y'all think about the changes? Because I really like them, especially this picture here. I really like that. Use what you have. Enjoy your space, y'all. You don't have to fill everything up with something. You do not. That's all I want to say. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.